Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I am sharing with you these amazing activities for kids age 3 to 6 and primarily kids who are in nursery, LKG, UKG, pre-K, kindergarten, in preschool. They would love these activities. Let me show the first activity. It's called I Spy. You have a lot of these fun images right here, and the images have been represented here down, and the empty space, the child has to count, look at the image, find the image here, then use a marker, because I have put my sheets file cover so that they can be used over and over again. So once the child sees the picture, you can say 1 2 3 4 5 and can write 5 right here. Then the row is 1 2 3 4, and like this the child needs to just write here. So like this, the one thing which is counting plus identification is right done with the first activity. The second activity is Valentine Complete the Pattern. You have these very colorful, nice images for kids, and I have used different patterns, so you can definitely see the pattern right here, and the children or the kids who are trying to do it, they're able to identify different pictures, different colors at the same time. So all they have to do is they have the answers right here. So here they're going to use their fine motor skills to scissors, cutting and pasting. They're going to cut and paste the right answers just right at the spot. The next activity is graphing. Graphing is always fun to do with kids. It's just a great way of doing different kind of activities. So you have the images right here of the hearts that have been used, and you have to do the tally marks for these ones, and you have to do the bar graph for this one. So you have these right here. So let's look at this one. That's just one, okay, and it's just one here. So we are gonna just graph this one. Let's try and take maybe this one. Okay, that's one in the meditation pose. You have 1 2 3 4. So you're going to do 1 2 3 4. And now, because we did 4 here and it's the same number, so let's try and do the tally marks. 1 2 3 4. It's perfect, right? So you have 3 activities basically happening at the same page, and it's a great way of just engaging and doing activities with them. The next one is Count the Hearts. You have these different hearts, big ones for kids to identify. They have to just count, write the number. If you want to add on, you can always add on to spot the color. I have this amazing ice cream matching activity. You have 2 cones here, and the similar cones are right here. All the kids have to do is match. So the first one is peach and then red. They have to find the peach. Okay, this is peach and then it's red. They can just match. I am using a dry erase marker because I've put the pages in the file, so it's easy for you to erase by using your hand or the eraser. Easy. So like you have green and pink, and where is green and pink? Right here. So we can just match. The next activity is a craft, or you could say a paint activity, which is a heart is here. So by using your Q-tips or cotton buds, or maybe the tip of a pen or pencil, just dip it in the color and make dots. So the dots are going to be like this. Once the kids are using the paints, they're going to come out moreover like this. So that would be a great activity for kids to finish. Last but not the least, it's called the Valentine word search. These are some words. It's cake, gift, nice, kind, love, hug, candy. They have to just find the word and they need to circle it. So like if I say I'm going to find hug first, so it's H-U-G, I just found it, and they can just do like this. Or you could for the younger kids, you could just do like spot H or spot E or spot T. You could just do alphabets or just 2-letter words. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Do leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.